Okay, so today I'm tackling the job of I'm installing a wooden bed into Elsie, and Elizabeth and I have picked out cedar wood just because we like the strain with the striping. We think it goes well with the burgundy vehicle with the white. So anyway, cedar. So what I've been doing now is I lined up my planks, I spaced them and measured them evenly so I had both distance from that area to this area equal on both sides. Then I equally spaced them. They are 3/4 of an inch in between each board as a cross. Now that one's not. They've been bumped. They have to get adjusted again. But my marker was the green tape, that this was my outer edge. Stay true to that. And then my other outer edge, stay true to that. And I figured once I got that done, this outer edge is square. I've measured it previous, taped it, and so on. So what I did was I angle cut with a curve the tops of the boards. So the El Camino does not have a straight back to the bed. The window is convex, so therefore the bed edge is also convex. So I'm going to show you what I mean when I get right here, and you see she has a curve to her. It's not straight down. There is a slight curve. It's about 1/2 an inch on each side that she curves in. So nonetheless, the boards had to be cut at an angle so that they matched up tight against the bed, the front wall. So that's what I did. I measured them off first, went ahead and did my cuts. I was really happy. I did a great job, in my opinion, with getting them at that right pitch, as tight as I could get them with the curve. And I'm stoked on that. That's a big step. Once you get one good measurement, the rest of the measurements follow pretty easy. Everything stays true. So what I'm going to do next is, this is my overage. I didn't cut it off at first because I wanted to have plenty of error space up there. That way, if I needed to make multiple cuts to make sure that these were flush or the right curve, I had plenty of space to keep inching down the board without running out of space at the end. So my plan was to angle cut these, get them nice and tight. I looked at the pattern really well to make sure the pattern looked nice in the area. That's what you're going to see forever there. And then now that I've got my nice cut and I'm happy with that, we're going to go down here and we're going to measure on the underneath of the edge of the bed where we're going to cut off our wood. So we've got to cut in here. We've got to make a line, underscore, to the edge of this bed right there. So we've got to get these cut off so that these are flush, and that is a big step in our bed installation. I'll make another video after I get the next step complete.